I mean, we're no strangers. We know that I love Vivienne Westwood over here. We know that I do. Hello, who's there? Fabulousness, of course. Come in. What's up, everyone? It's CYBER.COCO and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you all what I was gifted for Christmas 2022. Now, spoiler alert, I was spoiled this year. I was absolutely spoiled rotten. I don't know why, I don't know how. I must have been the best Coco for 2022, like the best, on my best behavior, so good, so well behaved, because I don't understand why I got so spoiled. I really don't know. I'm very grateful, I'm incredibly grateful, but I'm kind of like in awe right now. So today I just wanted to show you a few things that I got this year. It is a gorgeous haul and like I said, I'm very grateful. I must have been on my best behavior. So let's get into it. Let's start off with some Vivienne Westwood. Like I'm like I said, I think last time I started off with some Vivienne Westwood as well, my last Christmas video. But again, we have some Vivienne Westwood. So fabulous. Now, for those that saw my previous video where I showed you what I bought myself for Christmas, you probably would have sneak peeked this a bit. I was wearing it on my neck. So this one is a gorgeous Vivienne Westwood necklace. Now, you know me, I love me some gold bling bling. I love to be out there, and this is so out there. It is so right, it is so perfect, and I'm very spoiled. So in here, we open it up. I mean, come on, is definitely a statement piece. This is a giant Vivienne Westwood orb necklace. It is so beautiful. What I love about it as well, it has the same chain as my Vivienne Westwood bracelet. It is literally my bracelet enlarged. It is literally the same thing enlarged so I can wear it as a necklace. Now you can wear this as is, so just like that. That's how I wore it in my previous video. But what I've also found that you can do as well, I've kind of just experimented with it because I was so excited. You can actually double loop it and it fits around my neck perfectly to have it like a nice choker. And on the bottom we have this beautiful engraving as well. It is so stunning. I'm lost for words. I'm really lost for words. I'm so happy to have this piece in my collection. I needed something quite big and like in your face, so that's exactly what this is. I mean, we're no strangers. We know that I love Vivienne Westwood over here. We know that I do, so it's kind of a no-brainer to get me Vivienne Westwood, but once again, I'm spoiled. This is a lot of fabulousness and I'm very grateful. It's gonna be severely cherished. Severely cherished. I mean, I really don't know what to say. Did we just enlarge this box? Kind of. We have another Vivienne. This one right here. Like I said, I must have been on my absolute best behavior in 2022, which is so not like me. Like, I'm an Aries, I'm a troublemaker. I am so bad, but I must have been really good because I don't understand. I just don't. Like, this would have been enough. Shut it down. We're good. This is something that I have been wanting in my collection for a really long time, and I kind of can't believe that I'm holding them, that I own these. This is a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I'll tell you the truth. When I opened this up on Christmas Day, I cried. Oh, I cried. I got a little emotional because I couldn't believe it. Let's just open it. So we have a card here from World's End. Now, if you don't know what World's End is Vivienne Westwood's store in London, 430 Kings Road. This store has been named many different names, but all Vivienne Westwood. If you know, you know, but it is currently World's End. I would love to one day visit that store. It would be a dream. But we have here another bag, and it was wrapped in this gorgeous Vivienne Westwood tissue. I'm a sucker. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna figure out some kind of way to like frame it or something. I don't know. I'm a savvy person. I'm a very savvy and crafty person. I'm gonna figure out some type of way to do something with that. Vivienne Westwood rocking horse boots. I don't know if you get me. I don't know if you understand why this is a massive, big deal. What? This is... Okay, let's get it together. I am like sweating being in the presence of these. I have wanted these boots. By the way, I have worn these already. Naturally, as soon as I got these, I put them on straight away. I even went out Boxing Day shopping in these boots, which is probably the most insane day to wear something like this. But I did it. I was like, if I'm gonna wear these, I'm gonna break them in. You know, we're doing it. I'm gonna put you to the test. We're doing a hardcore day as a hectic chaos day. Boxing Day sale shopping, but I've worn them out. They are so comfortable. I love them so much. The leather is so divine. Hello, who's there? Fabulousness, of course. Come in. I'm waiting for someone to just like pinch me and I wake up and this is just a dream. Do you know what I mean? I'm kind of in denial right now that this is reality, because it can't be. There's just no way. Speaking of Vivienne Westwood shoes, I got this gorgeous Vivienne Westwood coffee table book. Now this is Vivienne Westwood shoes. This book is just so stunning. I've actually been wanting this book for so long. This was made, I think it was 2006. Can't remember what year it was. Printed in Italy, September 2006. This book is just everything to me. As you know, I love shoes. I really love shoes. I can't stress enough how much I love shoes. And this book literally is just like all about Vivienne Westwood shoes. The archive. I think there was an exhibition where they had on display at a museum all of Vivienne Westwood's like archived shoes. I would have loved to have been there for that. But this is just, yeah, a gorgeous coffee table book that has pictures of Vivienne Westwood shoes. Like, look at the, first of all, I didn't even know these existed. And I'm so wishing I didn't know these existed, because I'm just like, oh, I now know that exists and I will never have it. It is, I'm hoping it shows up. It is a Vivienne Westwood Louis Vuitton boot. I had a look at it. I searched it up online. When I flicked to this page and saw this, I could not believe my eyes. Jumped online, did some research. They even did a Vivienne Westwood Louis Vuitton bustle. Like, get out. Like, stunning. But over here we have my Vivienne Westwood rocking horse boots. This next present, I was so excited when I was unwrapping it, because when I was unwrapping it, I could smell it. This is a little miniature of Dior Addict. Now, Dior Addict is my second favorite perfume ever. I love that perfume so much. It is so stunning. And what makes this one so special is that it has the gold lid. Now, the original Dior Addict came in a bottle very much like this, but bigger, obviously. It's dark blue with a gold top and a twist and you spray. That is what the original is. Now this is from the original collection. This is an original Dior Addict. It has the gold lids, but this is a little miniature. So it is, sorry, I stopped mid-sentence there because I could smell it and I was just like drawn in. It is so good. It should be illegal. You should be illegal. Now I have an original Dior Addict, so it looks so nice to have next to it this little miniature. Now this is a present I was so excited about because it was much needed. This is a velvet, like velour luxe beach towel, and it's a cheetah print. This is so stunning. I actually have been using the same beach towel for so long and it's old, it's nasty. I needed something new and this is a massive upgrade. I've actually already used it because it's summertime here. I am so hot. I'm sitting here in like satin, silk and lace. I am sweating. I've got all these lights on me. It is summer in Australia. It is hot. It's the little things, but like this was just so exciting to me. Now you know how much I love Aaliyah, so it was so exciting to see these pieces on Christmas Day. First of all, this is an Aaliyah Funko Pop. I don't have this. I have been wanting this for so long. That's the thing. A lot of these presents are presents that I have been wanting for the longest time. So this was just overwhelming. It was very overwhelming. But this one here, I'm so excited to have you in my collection. Also, if you haven't checked out my Aaliyah lookbook, make sure you check that out. I'm so proud of that lookbook. I love it so much. Another thing here we have is Romeo Must Die, and I actually did a look from this movie as well in my lookbook. This is my comfort movie, or one of my comfort movies. I love Aaliyah and I love Jet Li, so to have the two of them in one movie is insane to me. Like, I can't believe it. And DMX is in it as well. This movie is fully loaded with stars. It is just so good. Another thing that was in my previous video is this black satin robe. I wore this last time in my video. I was needing just like a classic black robe. I have a black like silk robe with lace on it and it's floor length, whereas this one is shorter and it has short sleeves, which is so perfect, especially in the warmer time as well. This next gift I just thought was so genius. It is a box here that this person has filled with nail polishes. Now, I love painting my nails and my favorite color to paint my nails are black. So this person got my favorite black nail polish, and also I ran out. I've literally recently run out of clear top coats. So they got my favorite clear top coats. I actually can't wait until I need to take this nail polish off because I am diving into the gold. We're doing some gold nails. I love gold, we know this. This piece here is so stunning, and you know that I love vintage pieces as well. I wish I knew what year this was from, but the packaging is so stunning. This is from Japan, and it is a fine mist spray necklace. So it's a perfume atomizer. You open it up, and it is this gorgeous gold necklace. So stunning, and basically, it's a perfume bottle. You just spray on the go. Like, that is just so fancy. Like, just having your favorite perfume on your neck like that, like, just be out. Like, it's just excellence. This is just pure excellence. Do you know what I mean? Speaking of gold, we have this big gold box here. Now, this box is just like full of nostalgic goodies. It is so fun, and I'm very excited about this. When you open it up, you are literally graced with a whole bunch of color and nostalgia. Now, I don't think I've shown it on my channel before, but I have this exact one here. It is a giant Hello Kitty pink Pez dispenser. Now, when you go like this, it actually launches out a full like packet of Pez. So it's not individual Pez's that you get in like the little one, it's the actual refills, if that makes sense. So you put all your refills in here and then open it and a pack will come out. So I already had this color, but we have two more, and in a purple. The purple is so nice. So now my giant Hello Kitty Pez collection has grown. I actually didn't have a collection, I just had one. Now I have a collection, which is pretty exciting. So I need to get some Pez. Actually, I could so go for some Pez right now. That is so good. Next up, we have some Powerpuff Girl plushies. Now, I actually used to have this one of Bubbles when I was a kid. When I opened this up and saw this, I was like, oh my God, that was mine. I literally had this when I was younger. But obviously, Buttercup is my favorite, should be no surprise. But it's so nice to have all three of them together. Like, that is just so perfect. They're obviously gonna go on my shelving. You know, my big cube colorful shelving that I have in my CYBER.COCO room. They're gonna have a special place on that shelving. Just so cute. We have more Powerpuff Girl stuff in here. Now, this is a Buttercup Christmas ornament, like a tree ornament that I already was gifted quite a while ago. I can't remember what occasion it was, but I have Buttercup. Now this year I got all three. So like this is my one. I have now got the other two for the collection, which is so perfect. So now I can actually I should get like a little like CYBER.COCO Christmas tree that I have in that room that is just colorful and funky, fully nostalgic, and I can have these hanging on there. Like, ideas are coming, ideas are coming. We also have some Powerpuff Girls miniatures here. They are so cute. I love the packaging of this, just so colorful. And I didn't even know these existed as well, so that is so fun. And to finish it off, we have a Powerpuff Girls 2023 calendar. So perfect. I need to get more organized. 2023 is going to be a very big year. So this is very much needed. Gonna hang this up in the CYBER.COCO room and get organized. Another thing that I got is actually something that I'm sitting on at the moment, so I can't lift it up to show you, but it is a black velour stool. It's something that I needed, that I didn't know that I needed, and now that I have it, so I'm like, oh, I needed that. It is so perfect. I was able to sit here, be all fabulous, and show you what I got for Christmas. I actually got a bunch of other things as well. I got some like gold and black decor things, some throw cushions, some wall hooks, some accessories. Like, it is just stunning. I'm very, very grateful. Anything black and gold, I'm gonna love it. So that is it. That's what I got for Christmas in 2022. Like I said, spoilt. Must have been on my best behavior because I don't understand. I'm incredibly grateful. Everything I'm gonna cherish so much. Everything is just so me, and I'm just blown away. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Oh, you smell so good. So, oh, it's falling apart. But during the live stream, I was decorating my gingerbread house. I've got a big Vivienne Westwood orb there. And on this side, we have the monogram Vivienne Westwood orbs. And while I was decorating it, I was like, man, I am manifesting Vivienne Westwood this year. And the thing is, I was joking, I was just being silly. I was like, man, I am manifesting Vivienne Westwood this year. If this doesn't get me Vivienne Westwood presents for Christmas, I don't know what will. Like, I was just being extra and silly, but it worked. I mean, I'd never heard of gingerbread house manifesting, but apparently it's a thing now. But that's it for today. So I hope you're having a good day, good night, good weekend, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all on my next one. Laters.